Welcome back to the O'Day 12 boat project. I'm going to do some work on the transom here so I can mount my outboard motor. The problem is the current wood that they added to the boat is making it too thick for the motor to attach to the transom. I mentioned in a previous video to this one that I have a Suzuki 99 and I'm a little bit worried about the weight. What I'm going to try mounting is my other outboard, which is a Mercury 2-stroke 5 horsepower. It's half the weight. But I'll show you what it looks like in its current situation when I try to mount it, and then I'll show you my solution to that problem. And this is the problem that I have. As you can see, it's too thick this way to get the engine to clamp on. So as it sits right now, it's a little high. I'm going to take those two signs that look just like no parking signs, and I'm going to put one on each side of the transom, the back and inside. In order to do that, I'll have to move this decal, take it off. I'll clean up the transom a little bit and I'll show you how I mounted it once I do that work. Well, it didn't turn out like I'd hoped it would. I ended up stacking 4 signs on the back, and I had to move the one inside up so that the clamp of the outboard would not push into the fiberglass of the boat, but the sign, so you can see that it's lifted here. This is the motor with the cowling off of it. Looks like I've got to do an impeller, so that'll be my first time doing that. So maybe that'll be in a future video, but not the immediate future. I'm going to continue to work on the boat during the winter while I can. It's November right now, 2019, so hopefully the weather holds out and get some more filming done. So thanks so much for watching. That's the progress so far.